Let's make a Chinese knot. Turn on wireframe, delete the default sphere, and add a plane. With snap set to 90 degrees, rotate the plane forwards. In the grid icon, set the division to 7. We'll use this grid as a guide. With the tube tool, turn on snap at every point. With path, draw a line and add control points based on the grid. Reduce the X division to 6. And adjust the thickness based on preference. On the side view, duplicate the plane and move it just in front of the tube. With the front plane as a guide, move every other control point forward into a zigzag pattern. Optionally, for the top control point, add a few more points to make it curve inwards. From the front view, duplicate this tube by clicking on clone and skip every other vertical line on the grid. With all 4 tubes selected, clone again and rotate horizontally 180 degrees, then move the tubes to the right. Now delete the rightmost tube. With all vertical tubes selected, with snap turned on, clone and rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Then rotate 180 degrees along the red arc horizontally. Hide the original planes. With snap set to 45, rotate everything. Click on any existing tube but don't change it. Pick curve with the tube tool. Now any new curve we add will use the existing tube's properties. Add some curves on the knot based on your preference. Typically, there are U-shaped knots on the top and bottom, and on the left and right corners, there are C-shaped knots. Merge all the tubes. Add a new cylinder, setting the division X to 6. Lengthen the cylinder vertically, and make the thickness around the same thickness as the rest of the tubes. Make sure to check the side view and move it as needed. Add a torus and also set the division to 6. Shrink the torus and make the thickness approximately the same thickness as the rest of the tubes. Turn on mirror as well. With snap turned off, rotate the torus so that it forms an X with its reflection. Validate the torus and separate it into the 2 parts. Move one part slightly in front of the other, then merge the 2 parts back together and flatten it. Duplicate this knot at the bottom and adjust the size as needed. Optionally, smooth the endpoints of the tubes. Finally, paint all the shapes. I'm using a medium-low roughness and medium-low metalness. Optionally, adjust the post-processing when you're done.